Welcome back, party people, the place to be. Today we're in Surprise, Arizona, and we're gonna be doing a vlog style video, taking a hike to a ducked off spot that I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy. Once we get there, we're gonna throw the drone up and get footage that only a drone could get. So make sure you stick around and watch the whole entire video and don't miss out. Made it to our destination, people. Let's get this show on the road. So this is our destination, Waterfall Trail. You know what I don't see? Is no drone signs. So that means your boy got the okay to fly the Mavic 4 Pro, baby. So as you can see, there's an actual sidewalk. Eventually, you get off the beaten path, and then that, when it gets very, very Arizona-like. All right, we finally getting to the point where we off the beaten path, y'all. Check it inside out. We out here now. Got the drone up, following me. Now we out here. We out here. So you're gonna get an Insta360 view and a drone view. You're welcome. Right, people. And it got gangster.
Oh, okay.
What's up? Well, we made it to our destination, and this is the waterfall. So of course, it's August 2025 in Arizona. Same thing, ain't no damn water, but that's what the shit would be. That's where the waterfall would come down and come on through and fill this thing up. And I see some bees around here. We got the drone, people. We
got the drone.